Hi guys, this is BRaditech. In this tutorial we're going to be doing a window.load function in jQuery. So we need to reference our scripts on our page, as we have done here, and once we've done that we can start manipulating some jQuery. So in our JS library.js, where we'll be writing our jQuery, we need to put the $sign, that's just the standard jQuery to say we are doing a jQuery, and then in brackets we need to put window, and after the brackets we need to put .load brackets colon. And inside the brackets we need to put function brackets and then two curly brackets and then bring them down. So when the window has loaded, it will run all the code inside this and this. So what is the difference between window.load and document.ready? Well, there isn't much difference except if you use document.ready, as soon as you can start using the page, it will run the piece of code. How window.load, it waits for everything on the page to load. So if you're loading big images, it will wait for them to be fully loaded. If you've got sub web pages in your page, then it will wait for them to fully load as well. So I'm just going to alert out window has loaded. We can just run this. As you can see, it says window.loaded. Window has loaded. So I could give you an example of the difference between document ready and window.load. So I'll put in my body, I'll put an iframe src equals http. I don't need the index.html, but I want to define it, so just in case it goes to a different page. I won't bother about the sizes and everything of the iframe. I'll just do it. And I'll save that, and I'll change this to document.ready. And this will hopefully work. So it will still say window has loaded, but we won't bother changing that. It doesn't really matter too much. So I'll refresh the page. As you can see, it says window is loaded before the web page has loaded up. So now I'll go back into my JS library and I'll put window.load instead of document. So window.load. So that, go back to my browser, I'll refresh it. Yeah, it waited for the iframe to have fully loaded, so BRaditech.com to be fully loaded until it alerts this out. So that is the window.load function and how it can be used in comparison to document.ready. Thank you very much, BRaditech.